Good morning everyone. I'm here with Miguel and we're talking about thermal noise. So Miguel, what is thermal noise for you?
Thermal noise is mostly caused by the random motion of free electron in a conductor through heat. This phenomenon is known as thermal aggregation or is often referred as white noise.
Yes, you're right. Well, the amount of open circuit noise voltage appearing across the resistor or the input impedance to a receiver. So the formula for the thermal noise is Vn or RMS noise voltage equals to 4K or Boltzmann's constants and T temperature Kelvin and bandwidth V Hertz and R resistance. So let's move on to our examples. So this is our example from the handouts. The bandwidth of receiver with a 75 ohm input resistance is 6 MHz. The temperature is 29 Celsius. What is the input thermal noise voltage? So this is our given. So we need to convert first the temperature Celsius to Kelvin. So our Celsius is converted to Kelvin to 302 Kelvin. So the main formula will be written. So the answer is 2.74 voltage noise, thermal voltage noise. Thank you for watching, guys.